Creating a lead magnet that truly engages your audience can seem tricky, but with the right approach, it becomes much simpler. A lead magnet is a free resource you offer to your audience in exchange for their contact information. To optimize it for maximum engagement, focus on content creation that resonates with your target audience. Think about what they need or what the problems they are trying to solve. Your lead magnet should provide real value, answering questions, or offering solutions that matter to them. Start by choosing the right format. Some people prefer ebook or checklists, while others might engage more with videos or webinars. Test different formats to see which one works best for your audience. Make sure the design and language are clear and easy to understand. Use visuals to break up text and make the content more engaging. Always keep your audience's preferences in mind during the content creation process. Promote your lead magnet effectively. Share it on your website, social media, and through email marketing. Encourage your audience to share it with others who might benefit. Remember, the goal is not just to get new leads, but to create a meaningful connection. By optimizing your lead magnet, you can build trust with your audience and encourage them to engage with your brand further. In the first section of this video, we discussed the importance of optimizing your lead magnets. However, actually doing the optimization of your lead magnet can be a challenging task. The reason is there are so many tools that have to be put together in order to successfully implement a killer lead magnet. Most people don't even bother to do a lead creation campaign because the process is intensive and painful to implement. What if there was a lead creation tool that could do all the heavy lifting for you and was easy to use and all completely done in a nice, neat package? Even the veterans of online marketing avoid doing lead creation because of this issue and miss out on obtaining thousands and thousands of leads that could have been on their mailing list, thus quadrupling the potential income. This is an essential part of online marketing that cannot be ignored. That is why I use LeadCreator for my lead magnets, because it's a complete package. LeadCreator software does not replace Canva or your page builder or hosting. It will only enhance your ability to generate leads and build your list faster and give much more value to your audience. This plugs a hole for content builders such as yourself. You are probably thinking that in the beginning, just because you have no traffic to your blog or channel, that creating lead magnets is pointless. This is far from the truth, because at some point, you have to assume that you're going to get traffic. That's why you're trying to build your business, right? It then behooves you to have lead magnets in place that are relevant to your topic at hand so that you can capitalize on that when you do get traffic. That's why this software can solve that for you, because the reason why you don't create lead magnets is because it's intensive. Here is a list of tools and steps you need to successfully execute a lead magnet. Number 1, ChatGPT or your favorite AI content generator to apply your content. Number 2, the content management system, CMS like WordPress, with an editor to house your lead magnet content. Number 3, a graphic form template like Canva with a design that you like. Number 4, in addition to a design you like, you have to choose an appropriate font to copy and paste over the ChatGPT content. Number 5, add in your integration with your autoresponder. Number 6, you have to upload your lead magnet, then link it up to your autoresponder. Number 7, you have to create a thank you page to deliver the lead magnet. Number 8, when you take the shareable URL, you need to track your conversions, right? Number 9, you need to have an organized, accessible location where those conversions can easily be segmented. And number 10, you need to be able to edit previously distributed lead magnets that would dynamically be updated on the fly. That's why LeadCreator solves this for you, because you can create lead magnets fast in a matter of minutes, giving you content that is short, concise, to the point, informative, and valuable. Here is the LeadCreator platform, where I will demonstrate the built-in features that make it easy to finally create lead magnets without stressing over a plethora of tools. The app does all the heavy lifting for you with all the needed lead creation assets in one place. So when you click on the Create a Lead Magnet, the screen that comes up asks you to name the lead magnet. This is just for your reference. You choose a category, and then you can choose a template that ranges from the raw chat GPT with a blank lead magnet, a 5-point listicle, 10-point listicle, 15-point listicle, blog post to ebook, blog post summarizer, YouTube transcript to ebook, YouTube summarizer, micro course creator with image suggestions, micro course creator with video suggestions, FAQ maximizer, ebook creator. You also have an assortment of personas that you can select from, ranging from Seth Godin all the way to Tamsin Webster. Or you can choose no persona at all. You can have a tone also along with the persona, from formal to optimistic. You can include an introduction or include a conclusion. Negative words can be entered for the AI, basically the words that you do not want to use. You just list them here and separate them by commas, and then an assortment of languages to choose from. You can also select the reading level. So once you enter all that information, you just go ahead and click on Create. On the top here, you have the different tabs. Quick Start, which is where we are right now. Create screen. Lead Magnets shows a list of lead magnets that you have accumulated. There's an affiliate section, and the settings, analytics, agency, team members. There's quite a bit of extensive training. The constant changes that are happening through the change log. I'll show a lead magnet that I recently created. It's a fully functional editor that you can enter AI on the fly. You can put links to text. You can link graphics. You have an assortment of fonts to choose from. You can change the size of the font. You can change the line height. The typical features of any editor built into LeadCreator. And then once you have created your content, over here, you can actually set up to complete the 4 steps to customize the template for the opt-in. You can use a standard opt-in, ebook style opt-in, blurred button opt-in. This is an intriguing 2-step process to keep users engaged. You can have a video pop-up with a left video, ideal for video content, or no email capture form. And then in the form fields, once you've selected a capture form style, then you'll fill out the email form field for that capture form. You have the different styles. You can style your template, and the trigger can be a blur timer, half page blur, or pop up at different percentages on mouse scroll. Go ahead and click on the link below. You'll be brought to this page where you can explore the features of LeadCreator. Take it out for a spin today. You won't regret it.